about a minute and a half. Take some pellets down in there. Guys, welcome back to Raw Doing Stuff. Today we're going to make some bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? We've got our pork belly here. We've cut it into 3-pound pieces. It was just over 10 pounds. So they're a little over 3 pounds each. And so we're going to get our cure mixed up. Then we'll put them in the bags and we'll show you how we do that. Okay, so first thing we're going to put in there, keep our bags from blowing away here. First thing we're going to put in is 4.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. And that'll be about a half. And then we're going to do 4.5 teaspoons of ground black pepper. And half. And we need 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Okay. Half a cup of maple syrup. I'm not going to put that in a measure because it's too big of a mess. Yeah, it should be about a half a cup. And we got our distilled water, 3/4 cup of distilled water, just so it doesn't have any of those minerals or anything in it that could make it go weird. And then we need a half of a teaspoon of our pink #1 curing salt. And that's all there is to the cure. So we're going to take this thing, we're just going to mix it up good in our bag here. Then we're going to grab our pork belly here and we're going to stick it in here like so. What we want to do is seal that up, get as much of the air out of it as you can. Like that. We'll mix that around. That's just going to go in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days, and we'll turn it over once a day so that it gets that cure all over, and then we'll come back and show you how we smoke it. Just like that, we got the meat washed. I didn't figure you needed to watch me wash all that brine off of it and cure. All you do is put it under the tap and wash it off. Figure you can probably figure out how to wash the meat on your own. But so I washed it. I just blotted it dry with some paper towels. Now we're going to put it on the smoker. I've got the smoker over here warmed up to 180. That's my pellet grill. And then I've got my smoke tube in there because when I smoke bacon, I like a little more smoke on it than what the pellet grill gives off. So I'll show you how I have my setup over there. Okay guys, so you can see what we've got here. We've got my smoke tube over here. If you haven't ever used one of those with a pellet grill, it really helps to add a little extra smoke if you want it. And then I've got it set at 180. And that's as low as this smoker will go. I'd prefer about 160, but that's where it'll go. So the other thing I'm doing is I'm going to put these slabs up here on this top rack because I don't want to cook this. I just want to cold smoke it. So we're not wanting to cook it, we just want to get some smoke into it. So that's all there is to it. We're going to let that smoke for about 3 to 4 hours. I like quite a bit of smoke on mine, and so we're going to do that. And when that's done, we'll pull it off, put it in the fridge, and let it sit for a day or so, and then we'll slice it up. Alright guys, so we've had our bacon on here for 4 or 5 hours. It's done, and we've got it to an internal temperature of 150. So we're going to pull this off and wrap it up, and we'll put it in the fridge. Okay guys, so our bacon, we wrapped it up, we stuck it in the fridge, and we let it sit there for 3 or 4 days. Now I'm going to get this sliced up, and we're going to cook some up and try it, and we'll get it all packaged up. Alright, so our bacon's done, sliced. We're going to get some fried up here and try it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I package this up. So I slice it in the slicer, then if you lay it on a cutting board that's just wide enough to fit in your bag, you can just slide this inside there, grab that, pull that out. You end up with a package that looks like this, so it looks nice. Alright guys, so we got our bacon done. Gonna give it a bit of a taste test. It's really good. You can taste that maple on the outside of it. It's not too salty, it's just perfect. So yeah, good recipe. You should try it. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and a like.